Hello, this is our first video in the series of Odoo to Shopify Connector. So, let's see how we generate access token in Shopify. So, start. First, we will open the admin URL of Shopify. Now, we will see that we have a store in which we will connect Shopify to Odoo first. We created a store. Our store name is GCTSMG, and this is my store name. This is the name of my first store. This is the name of my first store, and this is the name of my second store. So I will first connect with the first store first. The name of my store is gctfes-mh.myshopify.com. So let's start first. You have in Shopify, you will see this admin panel of Shopify. After that, we will go to setting. After going to setting, we will find apps and apps. We will see two options, Shopify App Store and Develop Apps. We will go to Develop Apps, and in Develop Apps here, Legacy Custom Apps. Can do it with existing apps. We can't do it with new generated apps. Okay, I already have an app, so I will install it now. It is not installed. I'm going to this click and install app. Okay. Now I'm going to this click and install it. Install, already in edit in configuration. You want to any cloud operations. You need everything that we can read. Also, we can delete. Also, we can update. Also, so you have to fill up now. We have to fill up the checkbox. We will save it. I have saved the selected total 137 configuration is saved. Now we will go to API credentials here. We will see our access token. This is my access token now. We will reveal it. It is revealed only once, so take care to copy it first. We will copy it. Then we will go to our Odoo App Store here. We will search SDLC Shopify Connector. Please wait just a second. It gets will be activated until it is installed. Okay, so this is our installed. We will go to the menu. From the menu, we will go to Shopify. In Shopify, we will see our dashboard in the first screen, and in the second screen, we will go to the instance. After going to the instance, we will click on New. After clicking on New, we will enter the name. After that, we will go to the instance. After going to the instance, we will click on New. After clicking on New, we will enter the name SDLC. We will enter the shop URL https here. We have to enter our store name, then .mshopify.com, okay, and then next I'm going to paste the access token here. I pasted the access token and saved it, and now I will start the test connection. So this is my Shopify connector. Successfully connected, and this is a pop-up show that success Shopify connected successfully. So in today's video, we will see how to connect Shopify. Thank you.